What if you invested just $100 a month in XRP, the cryptocurrency that refuses to die? Could small, steady investments really make a difference over time? Today, we're going to look back from 2025 to 2020 and see exactly what would have happened if you'd committed to a simple, disciplined strategy called dollar cost averaging, or DCA. Before we dive into numbers, let's quickly revisit what XRP is and why it has remained a crypto favorite despite challenges. 1XRP, a quick recap. XRP was launched by Ripple Labs in 2012 as a bridge currency aimed at enabling fast, low-cost international payments. Unlike meme coins or purely speculative tokens, XRP was designed for real-world utility, allowing banks and financial institutions to transfer money across borders almost instantly, bypassing traditional, slow, and expensive systems. However, XRP's path has been far from smooth. It reached an all-time high of $3.84 in early 2018 before crashing during the crypto winter, wiping out significant value for investors. In 2020, XRP faced a major SEC lawsuit with allegations that Ripple had sold XRP as an unregistered security, creating regulatory uncertainty and shaking investor confidence. Despite these challenges, XRP endured. Its community remained loyal, Ripple continued forming strategic partnerships with banks, and a favorable legal ruling in 2023 helped restore confidence, setting the stage for its recovery and continued relevance in the crypto ecosystem. 2. The power of dollar cost averaging, DCA. Dollar cost averaging is simple. Invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of price. You buy when the price is high and low, averaging out your cost over time. You remove emotion, panic, and FOMO. In a volatile market like crypto, DCA is often safer than trying to time the market perfectly. Now let's see what happens when we apply DCA to XRP from October 2020 through October 2025. 3. Setup, how the DCA plan worked. We invested $100 into XRP each month on the 25th of the month. If the 25th fell on a weekend or holiday, we used the previous trading day total period. October 25th, 2020. October 25th, 2025, 61 months. Total cash invested, $100 times 61 equals $6,100. Each month's XRP purchase price equals XRP adjusted close on or just before the 25th for. Accumulated XRP. By summing up all monthly purchases, total XRP acquired, approximately 9,960 XRP average price per XRP, approximately $0.61 current XRP price, October 2025, $2.39 portfolio value, 9,960 times $2.39, approximately $23,800. In other words, $6,100 invested over 5 years became nearly $24,000, almost a 290% gain. 5. Monthly price highlights. Here's how XRP's price moved over the period. October 2020, $0.25. November 2020, $0.64. April 2021, approximately $1.30, first big rally. December 2021, approximately $0.92, post-rally drop. Mid-2022, approximately $0.35, crypto winter. October 2023, approximately $0.56, slow recovery. October 2025, approximately $2.39. By consistently buying each month, even when prices spiked, you captured low-cost XRP early, which multiplied in value as the price rose. 6. How DCA smoothed volatility. Without a disciplined strategy like dollar cost averaging, DCA, trying to time the market could have been extremely risky and stressful. Many investors who bought XRP near its peaks, such as during the 2021 rally, might have faced significant losses or remained underwater for years. Watching their investments decline during subsequent corrections, DCA solves this problem by spreading purchases over time, so you buy both when prices are high and low. This lowers your average cost per coin, smoothing out volatility and reducing the emotional strain of market swings. For example, an investor who started buying XRP in October 2020 at 25 cents per coin would have accumulated a substantial portion of their holdings at this very low price. As XRP's price climbed over the next 5 years, these early purchases multiplied in value, forming the bulk of the portfolio's gains and demonstrating how consistent, patient investing can outperform sporadic, emotion-driven buying. 7. Annualized returns. From October 2020 to October 2025, a total of $6,100 invested in XRP via $100 monthly, DCA grew to about $23,800, yielding an approximate 50 to 60% annualized return. To put this in perspective, U.S. inflation averaged 4 to 8% per year, and the S&P 500 returned roughly 10% annually over the same period. This shows that XRP's disciplined DCA approach dramatically outperformed traditional benchmarks, turning modest monthly contributions into substantial gains. By consistently buying regardless of market swings, early low-cost XRP purchases multiplied in value, demonstrating the power of patience and long-term strategy in crypto investing. 8. Why XRP was a smart DCA choice. XRP isn't just hype. It solves a real-world problem. Fast, cheap cross-border payments. Key factors: utility. Banks can settle transactions instantly. Speed. XRP transactions take seconds, not days. Energy efficiency. Uses minimal electricity compared to Bitcoin. Community. Millions of holders support long-term growth, institutional trust. Ripple partners with major banks like Santander, SBI Holdings, and Bank of America. Combined with DCA, these factors made XRP a rewarding long-term investment from 2020 to 2025. 9 risks to keep in mind. Every investment carries risks, and cryptocurrency is no exception. XRP, while promising, faces several uncertainties that investors need to consider. Regulatory risk remains a key factor, as governments around the world continue to develop rules for digital assets, which could impact XRP's legality or use. Additionally, XRP's adoption relies heavily on banks and global payment networks. If financial institutions choose alternative solutions, its growth could be limited. Competition is another concern, especially from stablecoins and central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, which may reduce the demand for XRP in cross-border payments. Market volatility also means prices can swing dramatically in short periods. For these reasons, it's essential to diversify your investments and only allocate funds you can afford to lose. Careful risk management and staying informed are crucial for long-term crypto investing success. 10. In the end, $100 a month can make a big difference. Even a small, disciplined habit of investing $100 per month could triple your money in 5 years. Total investment, $6,100. Value in October 2025, approximately $23,800 XRP held, approximately $9,960. The key lesson? Time in the market beats timing the market. With XRP, patience, discipline, and a consistent DCA plan could have turned modest monthly contributions into a significant portfolio without needing to chase every rally or panic at every dip. So next time you think $100 isn't enough, remember, consistent, long-term investing can quietly build wealth over time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown of XRP's DCA performance from 2020 to 2025, hit like, share, and subscribe for more crypto insights and investment strategies.